Hey Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with yet another very cute and interesting video, which is DIY miniature bag, and it was the very easy video I've made so far and it looks just amazing, guys. And also guys, please ignore my voice today because I just ate something wrong and that just made my voice this horrible, so just ignore my voice. So let's start. Okay, so guys, over here I've taken these two white card papers, and in this shape, as you can see, it's very nice and visible. Now I've also taken this very bright pretty pink colored zip over here, and I'll just stick it over here with two card papers on each of the sides. So once this side is done, now let's start with the other side as well. And after the other side is now completed, guys, now I'll just use this very nice pretty pink foam sheet and I'll stick it on top of the zip and going all the way through down. So this is done. Now let's take that same foam sheet and I'll just stick it on each of the sides on the back. Okay, so after that is done, I've taken another piece of white card paper, and as you can see, it has two holes over here, and this card paper will go inside it just to make sure it locks the bag. And after doing that, I'll stick it from the back side, guys. Alright, so once this is stuck, now the lock is now ready. So now this foam sheet, I'll just take another piece of white card paper and cover the foam sheet strip on the corners. Alright, so once that is done, as you can see, these are the corners. And over here I've taken an old headphone wire and it was lying around in my house. So I just took that, it's black in color, and I'll just stick it on the corners. So once that is done, guys, after sticking this, I'll just use the same thing which I made for the top half and I'll stick that also on this bag. And now as you can see, this is nice and closing. The lock is also now made. Now just to decorate it, I've made two of these Hello Kitty cutouts on normal plain paper and I'll stick it over here. You can also use any other cutouts if you want, but I'm going for Hello Kitty. And then of course I'll make the top half with the same foam sheet, and then I'll just apply a golden gem on each of the sides. After it's done, guys, let's make these two back side handles, and that will be also made with same foam sheet. Alright, so once this is done, as you can see, now this zip is opening and the bag is now ready, guys, and it looks super cute. Okay, so after this is done, now let's make some more school supplies with miniature ones. So over here I'm making this lunch box. Over here it's very easy. You just have to take the white card paper and cut some sides and then fold them into a box. And after you're done with that, your lunch box cover will be basically ready. Alright, so as you can see, now let's make the top half of the lunch box. So I'll just fold this cover over here and then stick that part. So guys, it's the easiest way you can make a box. So that's very easy. You can just make a lunch box by yourself using this card paper. And after I'm done with that, guys, I'll take this very tiny piece of card paper again and I'll just make the smallest compartment. Alright, so now I've taken this very tiny piece of nail and now I'll just use this to close the box, and it's basically the closing of the lunch box because it's very tiny, so there's no other way you can do that. So it's the very easy way, using a nail and some hot glue gun to secure it, of course. And once that is done, now I'll just take another piece of very tiny made Hello Kitty on top of this. So ta-da, the lunchbox is now ready. Now guys, I've also made some books as well, and first you have to keep the lunchbox in the first compartment of the bag, and then these are the textbooks and notebooks which I made. and these are very easy, guys. You must have seen in my previous videos how I make very tiny books. So these are some books. I'll just keep them inside. So right now I'm so happy. I feel like just going back to my school days. And so guys, over here now I'll start making the water bottle. So over here I've taken the same colored foam sheet, and then I'll just use this cylindrical shape of cut paper, very tiny piece, and I'll stick it inside the hole. So after I'm done with that, I'll take this cut paper and I'll start sticking it on the corners. Alright, so once this oval cylindrical shape is now ready, now I'll stick the top half on this. So guys, once this is ready, this is another piece of the same foam sheet and it's circular. So I'll just make a cut and then take out the other part. So I have to make a cone shape, so that's what I'm doing over here. Alright, so after this cone shape is now ready, now I'll stick it using my hot glue gun as always. And then I'll cut the top half, just a little bit, not very much guys. So I'll just get this shape of the cap, and then I'll stick a white piece of cut paper on top of it just to close it. So as you can see, this is the cap. Now just to make it more fit, and I'll just make another piece of white cut paper and make a cylindrical shape, little bit big from the bottle opening, and then I'll stick it inside the cap so that it can fit nice and easily. So now as you can see, it can fit inside the bottle. And once that is done guys, again I've taken Hello Kitty cutout which I made by myself, and I've just drawn it on a paper, and that's it. Now I'll just stick it over here on the bottle as well. So basically I'm just giving the matching vibes to all the school supplies over here along with the bag. So that's what I'm doing over here. Then I'll just take another piece of pink fabric guys, and I'll just fold it into a double thing, and then I'll stick it on each of the sides so that the bottle is now complete. So now as you can see, all these supplies are now completed guys, and this is the bag and this is the water bottle, and as you know, the lunch box is inside the bag and with some books as well. So guys, this was the final video. I really hope you guys liked this. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Bye bye.